Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining us today. In this video, we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT as an application. As you know, this resource is from AI Chat, but you can also use it now in your mobile. So let's just download it from your store, and you're going to be finding out that you can start chatting at this AI application. You only have to choose the language in which you're going to be using it, and also what are you looking for? Researches, some advices, or education, anything else. So today we're going to start asking what are the days of the week to this AI chat, and you just have to wait till it gives you the correct answer as you can see it. But also you can keep asking for more information. Either you want to follow or continue with the same topic, or you just can change the topic. In this case, I'm going to ask, can you help me to find out the abbreviation or the correct abbreviation for these days of the week? And you're going to see that you have to wait just a little bit, and you're going to have the answers right away. So here they are. You can see them here. And also, when you're done, you just can leave, or you just can say thank you. And that is going to be it. But if you want to continue, you maybe want to ask something else. So let's go here. How do you say mother in Italian? Wait for the answer, and this chatbot is going to give you the answer. And this is it. This is all for today. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us and to learn how to use ChatGPT as a application.